how to block someone from seeing your story on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your story in the top left corner. This will open the story creation screen. You can either take a new photo or video using the camera or choose one from your gallery. After selecting or recording your story, tap on the arrow in the bottom right corner to proceed. This will take you to the sharing options where you can decide who will see your story. By default, if you tap on your story, your followers will be able to see it. However, if you want to prevent certain people from viewing it, tap on the option that says Close Friends or the number of people next to it. Here, you will see a list of your followers. If you want to block specific people from seeing your story, uncheck their names. You can also use the Clear All option to remove everyone and then manually select only the people you want to share the story with. Once you've customized your audience, tap the blue Share button at the bottom to post your story. After that, tap Done. Now, your story will be visible to everyone except the people you unchecked. This method lets you post stories while keeping them hidden from specific followers. You can update this list anytime before posting a new story. That's how to block someone from seeing your story on Instagram.